We're here at the Valvoline Engine Lab in front of the 3H test, which is part of the GF-7 upgrade. Michael, could you tell us what the 3H is and what exactly is changing with GF-7?
It measures the ability of the oil to control deposits, but also around the thermal stability of the oil. What's changing is the limit is going from a 4.2 piston deposit rating, the limit's going to go to 4.6. If you get too many deposits, these rings can stick. That means they can't flex.
Okay.
And if they can't flex, the gases will go right by the piston, between the wall and the piston, and we get blow-by.
Okay.
Called blow-by, and you lose the power of the engine.
If I wanted to make sure that I controlled deposits as best as possible, what do you recommend?
Well, you always want to use the oil recommended by the OEM. You want to follow the oil drain intervals that they recommend also, and you want to use the best oil. We formulate our oils to exceed the industry standards, and in the 3H, we do that. So you want to use a good oil like Valvoline.